Hi guys, I had so much fun making these DIY beads that I just had to share them with you. So these beads are from the craft store and from a few little things that I had laying around the house that I put on the ends, like these leaves and some burlap. And the rope, the rope is from the Dollar Tree, and then these little beads here are also from the Dollar Tree. So stick around if you want to see how I made these.
Stopping me now. I'm gonna skip down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed making these. As you saw, you can make these with your kids. I made these with my 4-year-old and he had a lot of fun with it. So let me know if you tried making these beads, and if you did, post it on your Instagram or DM me. Put it in your stories or something. My Instagram is JoanneHopes01 and I would love to see you guys there. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. When you click the like button, it really helps push this video out to suggested videos so that other people can see this craft. So that would mean a lot to me. And also, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it.